Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi. If you're coming for the first time, I make lots of lifestyle videos, fashion videos and vlogs. So if you love to see more of Nigerian fashion, Nigerian lifestyle, Nigerian food, vlogs in Lagos, I recommend that you hit that subscribe button. I have a tutorial on this hair bonnet. If you have not seen it, I'll put a link to it in the description box, or I'll put a card somewhere up there. So as you can see, it is Valentine's season. I have red going on here, I've got red flower in the back, I've got red here, and I thought it would be nice for me to come on here and share with you 5 romantic things you can do for your man. Like I said last year, I'm of the school of thought that men need to be spoiled as well. Not all the time you'll be getting Valentine's gifts. Like, can you chill though? Sometimes it's not about you, it's about your brother, your daddy, your uncle, your reverend, your brother in Christ, your boyfriend, your fiance, your husband. I don't know, whatever male gender is in your life. Sometimes it needs to be about them. So in today's video, instead of telling you 5 things to do for your girlfriend, I'm not doing that. I'm here to tell you nobody's buying a Tilogu uniform, no singlets and handkerchief. We are here for our men this year. So if you want to know what these 5 things are, then keep on watching. Number 1 on my list is surprising with a music performance. I saw this on Niggi Adebayo's channel, where she surprised her husband with, a musician, and he was singing sweet song, and the husband was like, oh my god, I'm shy, I'm so shy. He didn't say it, but like you could see in his face that was really shy, and I can only imagine how nice that would have been for him, because and I've seen another actress do this for her husband as well, and he was actually blown, like he was like, boom. I believe men like to be spoiled as well, so surprise your man with something very cute, something very romantic. At launch date, just bring in one artist and let her or let him sing, let him sing his favorite songs, favorite love song. Because I'm sorry, I'm not going to be like, you're so jealous. Yes, I'm not going to bring a lady to sing to my husband or to my boyfriend. No, bring him to sing to him. I'm just saying. Number 1, surprise your man with a nice musical performance, a love performance. It's not only you that likes love songs, they like love songs as well. Some of them are very mushy in the heart, but very strong outside. So touch that mushy part, Number 2 is plan a very romantic night in. By the way, you can only do this if you're married. Now this one I think is very cute. I don't know why I saw this as well. I saw it on somebody's Insta stories. A married woman, she had candles and stuff, and I can only imagine how your man will feel after going out. That's if you're living together. After going out, going to work and bring your money for the family, and he comes back home to a very nice bath, very well cooked dinner, very romantic ambience, and it will just feel very at home, Not all the time you'll be getting flowers. I'm not saying buy your man flowers, no, just a very nice romantic night, get some nice movies, preferably on a weekend, maybe like a Friday night, Saturday night, and Number 3 is take yourself out to a jazz bar, a romantic night out. This one is not sponsored in any way, but Rep J360 is having a concert. I have seen their performances, and they're jazz live band, and it's very sweet. So imagine taking your partner to that very nice, sweet, dreamy kind of event, and you guys are just chilling, and you're listening to your favorite love songs, and you're singing along to your favorite love songs, and you're just like and then you go home, and then you go your separate ways. You can take him to a very nice bar, have a nice date. Not every time you spend the money. You will not die if you take your man on a date. You will not die if you pay for your man's ticket. By the way, I recommend this Rep J concert. The tickets are only 1,000 naira per person. So 2 of you can go for 2,000 naira. To celebrate 2K, I'm going to be giving away 2 tickets. I'm going to be there as well, alone, sadly. Number 4 is plan a weekend getaway. Yoruba bo warning owo abu la fi se abu lalejo. What that means is, you use Abu's money to take care of Abu. You use Abu's money to entertain Abu. Let me tell you something, ladies, we know how to get money from our men when we want to. I'm saying that Kasiba have gotten money from, never mind. Plan a very nice romantic evening. You can go to a hotel in Lagos. You can go to a hotel in Abeokuta. You can travel to Calabar. You can go to Jos. The weather. Can plan a nice romantic getaway with his own money. I'm just saying, I'm just giving you a tip there. You can spend your money. I think I would like to spend a night. I don't know, maybe because I went to junior school in Abeokuta, and I've seen Abeokuta can be very calm and very peaceful. I like to spend a night in Abeokuta, or a weekend, go like on Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, then come back on like Sunday afternoon, just saying. The fifth one is to engage him in an activity that he really loves, or an activity that he has been begging you to be a part of. Some guys love, you know, playing video games. Some love to watch football. Some love playing football. Some love to swim. Anything he loves to do, just make him feel like, okay, babe, this weekend is about you. It's just for you. It's like, take myself and I will be. Just tell him that, okay, I'm dedicating this whole weekend to you. Whatever you want to do, whatever game you want to play, I'm not going to focus on anybody. If I just want this weekend to be solely for you, and just make him feel like a king that he is, or like a king that he's supposed to be. And they say, when a queen treats her king right, turns back to protect her and provide for her every way he can. So treat your man like a king and he'll treat you like a queen. Just saying. So if you want to know what I'm going to be doing on Valentine's Day, I'm going to be in church. I'm going to be in church. It is Ash Wednesday, so I'm going to be in church. It's Lenten season. I'm going to focus on heaven. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Damie Alabi. I hope you found this video helpful or entertaining. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, share this video. I'd like to know, what will you be doing on Valentine's Day? And if you're in a relationship, if you're single, let me know. If you're going to be alone on that day like me, let me know. I just want to know something about Valentine's Day that has to do with you. Please, 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 I would really like to know. My name is Damie Alabi. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch up with you guys in my next video. Bye.